got, yeah, not bad. They got 3 discs, even though I ordered this only, but sadly this doesn't work. So now I'm going to show, right? So I'm going to put this aside, and then this one, and this is the information that I have on my notebook before I install this. As you can see, there's only one this SSD that I have. Yes, these are partitions, and this is where it detects, you know, the disk drive. There's only one disk drive here, right? So okay, so this is the NVMe. Take it out. Okay, but first maybe I'll put it inside. So I'm going to shut down this. Have to prepare. Shut down this. I'm gonna prepare it for maintenance. Okay. Right. Yeah, this is already more than 1 minute. Let me see how to compress the video or do something, or fill it into parts or something. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to go to before I do that, let me show. You see on the boot part, which I can put priority. You see, this machine supports NVMe, and that is what is showing here. Okay, this is my SSD. We are SATA. So SATA ATA. So if you install this hard disk, this SATA, it will show the information. So if I install the NVMe, it should, if it can detect it, it should show the information just like this. Like just like the others, you know. If got anything else, you got the information. Okay. So the boot is okay lah. Nothing to change. Okay. I'm going to put the maintenance mode. Disable the impact sheet. Alright. Okay. the screws still over there. Right, so okay, this is the part that I need to put it in. This one, let's see, I need to take this first. Power, disable the built-in power. Okay. And this one. Loose these small nuts, and this one. Alright, let's do that. Okay, nicely. Now put this back. Okay. So we could go back in and see if there's any difference after installing the NVMe. Start up. Good. As you can see, there's nothing shown after the NVMe 0. I know the machine can't even detect it. Huh? Alright. It must be faulty, so no. So there's no changes. So I just escape without exit discarding changes. Okay. Let me go in and see. Alright, so here we are. Let's see, let me try to open the things just now. Device manager. Device manager is here, so the disk drive is still okay, so the disk drive is still my SSD only. There's no changes. Disk drive, computer management. This management, as you can see, is still the same. Alright, this PC is still the same. It's still the same. If only my existing hard disk. There's no new drives around here, huh? The thing that this NVMe SSD can fit into the notebook is, you see, it can fit in, it can screw in, it can install. It even has NVMe in the BIOS. That shows that this machine supports NVMe. But then the thing is, after putting this one inside and you cannot detect anything, shows that this is not working. This hardware is not working. Okay, so that's what I want to conclude.